Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
To my friend, to my boss, Boss M, I wish you a happy birthday. All the best to you. Good health and may God protect you and your family. Happy birthday. May isang tumbling ka sa akin.
Happy birthday, Commissioner. Hindi ka nagsasabi, birthday mo na pala, ha? Tangin na, painom ka naman, huy. Damihan mo yung pulutan at yun lang kakarain ko, ha? Happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Commissioner.
Mark, happy birthday bro. Best wishes. Tumatanda ka na pero pumapogi ka pa rin.
Happy birthday, Makis. Patuloy mo lang ang maganda mong sinimulan. Sana ay marami ka pang matulungan. At ibigay mo na ang mga dapat na ayuda.
Happy birthday, Makis. Enjoy lang yung liga mo, napakaganda. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang kasi ang dami nadami sumasali kasi maganda yung liga mo. God bless and more birthdays to come.
Palitan mo na rin yung scoreboard kasi medyo na yung scoreboard natin eh. Happy birthday, brother.
Paring Mark, happy birthday sa iyo at nakilala kita, ayun, nakapaglaro tayo ng basketball tapos yung kinuha mo akong pare. I wish na sana tuloy pa yung mo sa buhay.
Hello pare, birthday mo na, happy birthday. Papasalamat ako kasi sa tagal ng pinagsama natin kahit na ups and down yung pandin natin, andyan ka pa rin. Andito pa rin tayo. Good luck pare, happy birthday.
Boss Mark, surprise! Happy birthday! Tahimik ka gabi, ha? Happy birthday, bossing! God bless! Enjoy your day! Alam na this! Size 10! Happy birthday!
Bati ko yung kumpare kong si John Lloyd Masaga, Mark Cross. Happy birthday, pare! Na mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Sana makarami ka pa ng team.
Boss Mark, happy birthday. Hoping you're okay and more blessings to come.
Si Mark, wish you all the best. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi, pre! Happy birthday! More birthday to come, okay?
Pare ko, Mark, happy birthday. Alam mo na, dito lang kami.
Happy birthday, Commissioner Mark. Hope you have a great year.
Birthday kay Kuya Mark. Happy birthday, Kuya Mark. Sana maganda ang araw mo. Matulog-tulog ka rin minsan.
Kuya Mark, thank you so much sa pagtanggap sa amin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to that guy over there.
Right there. This one over here. That one over here. Yeah.
Pare, happy birthday, pare. Paring Mark. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. God bless us all.
Babating ko siyang happy birthday. Hindi niya to alam. Wait lang. Happy birthday pala sa kumpare ko si Mark. More blessings to come to you. More Jordans to come. Ayun lang. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo. That's it.
Yan, hello. Happy birthday, Mark. Ayos kasi nakilala kita. Nakapaglaro kami dito sa palaro mo. Ayos. Happy birthday, Mark.
Mark, tanda ka na. Happy birthday. Saan tayo?
Boss Mark, ito ang regalo ko. Happy birthday. Thank you sa magandang liga. Love you.
Binabati ko lang ang aking mahal na kaibigan. Sana pre successful ang lahat para sa inyo, lalo sa iyong asawa, mga anak. I love you as a friend, as a brother, and I wish you the best of all the year and happy birthday. Love you, pre. Cheers.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat at mag-greet ng happy birthday sa iyo, Boss Mark. Isang malaking karangalan na mag-greet ka. At sana naway bless ka pa ng Panginoon, more blessings to come, and see you in more seasons sa M5. Next time, sana magkaroon na kami ng team. Long live sa'yo, kapatid.
Happy birthday, Mark! From Chibugan family.
Kuya Mark, happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you sa lugaw and thank you sa siomay. Asahan ko next season.
Making love for me and you.